Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store cannot connect. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad, you're facing the issue that your App Store is not connecting. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data or try to connect with a different, stable and strongest network connection. Or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, just go back, go to date and time, and enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back, just tap on this transfer reset iPhone, select reset, and select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings if there will be any issue with your iPhone network. It will be fixed in this app so you will not get this issue again. So after resetting your network settings, if you are still facing the same issue, just try to open your browser and here go for search and simply search for Apple system status. Just search for this and here open the first website from here. Now on this screen, you just have to tap on the plus option or the cross option here and just look for App Store. You just have to make sure that App Store is available. If you might see that App Store is not available, so there will be any server issue. You just have to wait for almost 1 hour or 2 hours. Sometimes it might take 24 hours to recover. So once you find that there's App Store is available, so you can now you easily use your App Store without any issue like that. If you might see that your app store is available but you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to go to your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can also use Apple Support app. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, select App Store, and here just wait for the loading. Then tap on this get more help option, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.